My name is Jani Ylinen and I am from Finland. My current work position at Calderys is site supervisor. I was practically born in refractory world as my dad was also working in refractories. We could say it runs in the family. For those who don't know, refractories are materials that are resistant at high temperatures. They help protect furnace in pretty much all industries working in extreme conditions. Being a supervisor is a very varied job. Daily tasks include customer meetings to understand expectations and timing, installation supervision and monitoring safety during installation work. This makes the work quite intense at times, which I find very rewarding. My latest project in Hong Kong is a good example. This project was about a construction of integrated waste management facility on artificial island. Calderys' job was to work on the design and engineering, supply and installation of refractory materials for 6 boilers. I worked on this project for 1 year. I had around 90 workers under me. Hot weather and typhoon season caused several changes to the project. While it was very challenging weather conditions, we always maintained high level of safety. We even got rewarded as best safety team by our customers. This shows that we are capable of handling a project from start to completion while never compromising on safety. This whole project was a truly once-in-a-lifetime experience. I enjoy working with so many different professionals from different countries and cultures. All sites are usually different from each other. Today's sites are also international. This allows to get to know different cultures and people. This is very rewarding. I love traveling, so working abroad is a dream come true for me. The biggest challenge is multitasking work environment where things can change quickly. This requires good ability to work under pressure as well as good adaptability.